So it started out as a way to feed myself and my family. That's really how it started. But over time, and as we've grown, what's really become the thrust of what we do is not just building buildings, not just building homes, not just building places of business, but building people. And it's something that I say internally to my group of people all the time, and I teach them that this is not really about just building stuff. It's more about building people, and we just happen to build stuff. We just happen to build buildings, and that's the truth.